In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an automatic payment on GCash iPhone. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you want to manage your subscriptions effectively. First, open the GCash app on your iPhone. Simply locate the app icon on your home screen and tap on it. This will launch the app, bringing you to the main dashboard. It's crucial to start here because all your financial activities are accessed through this platform. Remember, being familiar with your dashboard can help you navigate more efficiently in the future. Next, tap on the profile icon. You'll find this in the bottom right corner of your screen. By accessing your profile, you gain entry to personal settings and preferences. This step is important because it leads you to all the necessary options for managing your account details. After tapping on Profile, look for the My Linked Payments option and tap on it. This section lists all the merchants and subscriptions you have linked to your GCash account. It's like a control panel for your recurring payments. By knowing what's linked, you can make informed decisions about what to keep and what to cancel. Now, select the merchant or subscription you wish to cancel. It might be a streaming service or any other recurring charge. This step is essential as it allows you to pinpoint exactly which payment you want to stop. Doing this ensures you don't accidentally unlink something you still need. With the merchant or subscription selected, tap Unlink. This action initiates the process of disconnecting your GCash from that particular service. It's a straightforward step, but it holds the power to stop future charges. Once unlinked, the service will no longer automatically deduct payments from your account. At this point, review the details on your screen. Double-check to make sure you've selected the correct merchant or subscription. This review serves as a verification step, preventing any unintended cancellations. It's always good to be sure before proceeding with changes to your financial arrangements. After confirming the details, tap Unlink again. This final confirmation is crucial. It acts as your consent to stop the automatic payment. By doing this, you actively take control of your billing preferences and ensure that you won't be charged automatically anymore. Now wait for the confirmation message and SMS. This will notify you that the unlinking process is complete. The confirmation reassures you that your action has been successfully processed. You can rest easy knowing that future automatic payments will stop. By following these steps, you've effectively canceled an automatic payment on GCash using your iPhone. It's a simple process, but it empowers you to manage your finances with confidence. Remember, keeping track of your linked payments and subscriptions helps you maintain control over your spending. This concludes our tutorial for today. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher on the steps. Until next time, have a great day managing your finances with ease.